maaga pa lang, ay nagkalat na yung mga...
So guys, welcome to my video. We're gonna test out all my cars and interceptors and my melon sandbox. Let's first up the Raptor 1020. Sorry, this is broken. The Zap 28. My big brother made it. It's broken. Yes. And let's test this out. I'm gonna not deploy it because it's too hard to do.
Yung ilan sa kanila ay may mga parking spaces. Yung ilan naman,
it's very bad. In my Zap, and my brother's Raptor too. It's very, very bad.
From Japanese. Information center.
And you've been waiting all. Oh yeah, not that. This is the Storm Chaser 188. It can do everything. It can deploy like this. You've been waiting on for the tube. Of course. You've been seeing it. And wait. See? Flap. And then you can do the spikes. I think the spikes are too low. Let me just like that. So that the flaps can't break. And then the wheels. Sorry, the wheels. Should I follow this? Look at. A great tip. Let's go, bro. Look at. The jet drives so smoothly, literally. So, if you want a part 2, like and subscribe, and we'll do a part 2 of this. 500 likes, 3 subscribers. Okay. I mean, 1 like, 500 subscribers. Okay? Okay.